Hi guys, Primrose here and welcome back to my channel. The other week I posted a video of the houseplants that I am growing in my west facing window. So today is the continuation, but I will be featuring the plants that I grow in my southern exposure. I have been wanting to film this for days now, but it has been really noisy. We have a construction going on, and I have decided to put more plants here because we now have a new neighbors. So that new building right there are now occupied, and I was so happy when I saw that one of my neighbor actually love houseplants as well. So those three windows facing ours, those windows are full of houseplants. So I was really happy when I saw that. Now let's go ahead and check out the plants that I have here. So this window gets a really intense direct sunlight in the morning. So most of the plants that I have here are the plants that loves direct sunlight. And let's go ahead and start with that one up there. So this is my English ivy. I have a big English ivy, but this one, the variegation on the leaves is different. When I first saw it, I thought it looks very similar to a marbled queen, pothos. So when I first started out, I was very particular with my pots, but now I care more about growing my plants healthy, and also I love helping Mother Nature. So these are the containers from my yogurt. They are lightweight, so they are perfect for hanging plants. And down here I have a bunch of succulents from my beautiful friend. She's got a heart of gold. It's from Greece, from Olga. So these plants are still new. When I got them, they did not have root system, so I think they are okay here, but eventually I would have to move them into a individual pots. And check out this one, guys. It recovered very quickly. Look how lush it is, and it bloomed for me. I love the pink flowers. And down here is my mint. This is actually from my kitchen. That's why I don't fertilize this one. My husband and I, we love mint and a strawberry smoothie. My kitchen window does not get any direct sunlight. That's why I placed it here. And my Oxalis triangularis. So I did not expect to get this plant really big and really bushy, because I got it as a tiny bunch and I thought it was just that size. But look at it. But this plant can get really messy after it's done blooming, staying looking pretty. Those wilted petals just dropped into the floor and can get really messy. And on top there is my Synapsis Enjoy. So this was placed in my living room, but it was not doing very well there, so I moved it here in the spring, and it's been growing like crazy. And another succulent that is perfect as a hanging plant. So this is my crassula rupestris. It bloomed, but just a part of it bloomed, and I'm not sure if I can get some seeds from it. It's the flowers is now dried up. And again, it's in this yogurt container. So let's start here. I think this is another variety of kalankoi. When my father-in-law was away for a holiday, I took care of his houseplants for 3 weeks, and I took off some cuttings without telling him, but I'm sure he wouldn't mind. And my crassula, another jade plant, can't remember the name, the correct name. I've been thinking of turning this plant into a bonsai tree, but then again, I love the fuller look as well. For some reason, I'm always attracted to fat, thick trunk. So when you turn it into a bonsai tree, you have to expose those part, so you have to get rid of the bottom leaves. But I like the full look as well, so I think I'll just leave it like that. And also this plant can be propagated from leaves, so look at that. This leaf just snapped, and I just put it back into the soil, and now it's growing a tiny baby. Let's get that out of the way so we could see those plants at the back. So this is my Succulents senelis. Olga helped me to identify my cacti last year. So this is an old man's cactus. It's very hairy, but it's still got those lethal spines behind those hairs. And then this is my mammillaria. It developed a fungal infection last year, and as you can see, you can still see some cinnamon powder in there. And I saved this plant from rotting. So cinnamon powder is really effective, but you have to be very careful not to drop them into the soil because it can dry up the roots. That's what happened to my orchids. And then I have this perfect piece of this epiphyllum sent to me. Another beautiful grower, YouTuber. That's what I love about this plant community. It makes it more fun sharing your cuttings, your plants to other people, and hopefully I can do more of that next year, because some of my plants are still small, they're new, so at this point I can't really share a lot. That's why I'm looking into propagating them and share them to other people next year. So I got the date, that way I can track the growth. And then I got the name on the other side, and I got the name of the person who sent it to me. And I really enjoy communicating and gaining more friends through this plant community. It makes it more fun sharing more cuttings to other people. And this one, I got this from a flea market in Rome. This is a Ionium, and for some reason it doesn't like to do anything. It likes to stay small, but I'm still keeping it. And then my Opuntia. And more plants from Olga from Greece. So I have some sedum burrito there, and some, what's this? Cedar Orvelier. So again, I got the name of the plant, I got the name of the grower there, and I got the date. And this one, it has bloom. It gave me that one single flower, and it's now gone. So here is my dead air plant that I've been meaning to replace, but never get to the point of getting one. So this was growing really well until I placed the plant on a cold tiled floor windowsill. So it turned mushy, and it's in that glass container with some crushed glass, some stones and twig as a decorative stones. And then I have this beautiful Kalankoi, Fedchenkoi. The name sounds funny, but it's very beautiful. Now this is another plant from Olga. As you'll know, I got a big box of plants from her in May, and I love this plant. So it also produced those tiny babies on the edges of the leaves, and they look really cute. I have it in this cute pot gifted to me by my husband's auntie. And then here you will be seeing a lot of plants that came from Olga. So I have this, another cactus. It's a Cereus monstrosus, Cereus peruvianus monstrosus. The scientific name are difficult to pronounce. So it's been growing really big, and I'm looking forward for my cacti to bloom. So this year I've been watching a lot of people, especially Olga. I have been watching their cactus blooming, and they're really amazing. They're beautiful. And this is my jade plant that I'm propagating. And this is my sedum pork and beans. And this is a very fragile plant. I have been wanting to repot it because it's growing big, but with just a gentle touch and the leaves just snap off. So I have a bunch of leaves down there, and they are growing new plants as well. So this is another jade plant, and it's got some new babies coming out. And another plant from Olga, another cutting from Olga. It's a Kalankoi blospeliana. I think I have seen a video of this. She sent a cutting to Lynn as well, and I saw that the flowers are just so beautiful. So I have 2 more southern exposure windows, but I do not want to make a really long video, so I think I have to stop this video here and make another continuation in another video of the 2 southern exposure windows. So thank you so much everyone for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye.